Alright, a little update video. I got my transmission lines hooked up to the transmission, and I got them ran up here where I'm going to mount my transmission cooler, and I left a little slack because I'm going to mount them up here. Right now they're just sitting down here, but I'm going to mount them right here on the firewall, down and around, and they're on this side, the left side of my metal fuel line. But I'm gonna mount them over here, and then they go down to the transmission with the 6 a.m. fittings. Other than that, it's getting there. It's coming along. Transmission mount, I had to take 2 more of the spacers out, and it gave me a little bit more clearance for this valve cover. Can't really see it right now, but when I drop the car down, you'll notice. And radiator is completely hooked up. Power steering lines, I've got them ran where I'm going to run them. And one's going to go to my reservoir that I'm going to mount here. And they both hook up to the power steering gearbox, and then the other one will go to the power steering pump. So probably won't cut those. I'm just going to use those the same length they are, because they actually end up being perfect length. So that works out. And yeah, next we got to mount the fan. And we got enough room in here, I think, but it's not a lot for sure. But there's enough room in there. Getting close.